All right, so if you want to turn off call screening on your Google Pixel phone, you're not going to find it in the settings. You're actually going to do this directly in the phone app. So we'll go to the phone app first, and then from here, in the top left corner, I'm going to tap those three lines, and then we'll go to Settings. Within your phone settings, you'll see a section here for call screen. So we'll tap that, and you're going to see a couple of options for call screening. If you want it off completely, you can just toggle Automatic Call Screen off, and you're all set. But you can also adjust the level of call screening. You could set it to maximum protection, which screens all unknown numbers and declines any spam. Medium protection would focus on screening suspicious calls, and it'll also decline spam. And then the basic protection would only decline known spam calls. Anyways, if you want it off, you can just toggle it completely off on the top, and that's it really. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.